Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here with another review. This time it is not an Amazon review, but it is something that I think everybody needs. It's at a reasonable price and everything. And it's a life hack for us girls with big boobies. Okay, alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing Brassy Bra. And I know there's plenty of reviews out there already, but you know, it doesn't hurt to do another one, right? And I am a between the 40 double D to 38 double D, depends on what I ate the day before. But I'm always a double D cup, so I'm looking for something once again in preparation for my Essence trip, because it's going to be super hot out there. What I was looking for is actually a bra that is strapless. You know, see, I have on this little outfit here, but that's not cute, and that's not how I was meant to wear it. And if you guys gotta excuse me, I'm looking down because, I mean, the packaging is good. So let me see if I can get some keys to kind of get through this packaging before I break a nail. Anyway, another thing I want to say is I just ordered this. First of all, let me go back. If you want to order, you should order it the moment that you decide you want to order it. Don't wait, don't sleep on it, because they are often out of stock, okay? And it took me just checking back on the website several times before I finally saw my size. And this is not even the color that I wanted. I wanted to get like the nude or more my tone, like the caramel color. That's what I wanted to get. And they were out of my size. So anyway, the moment that I saw that they had any color in my size, I went ahead and grabbed it. So what I was able to get was the black, or I don't know what color do they call this. Licorice is what they call it. But they have very, very nice packaging. And I love, love, love that, you know, because it's not like you get a whole bunch. They could have, you know, saved money on the packaging, but they didn't. They did not skimp. They didn't let us down. It is what it is. All right. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and get this reviewed and go from there. I lost my train of thought. Why did I lose my train of thought that easy? Okay. Anyway. So, opening up the package, oh, I know what I was going to say. I ordered on Monday or Tuesday, one of those days, and I actually got my package today, which is Friday. So, the delivery it was very, very quick, in my opinion. It came by regular mail. It was $38, and I think maybe another $5 to actually ship it, with shipping included. So, that was like about $41, right? And anyway, so it comes in this nice packaging. Let me go ahead and open it up for you. Very nice, right? And it also gives you the instructions on how to put it on. Okay? And so you get these pasties to go on the nipple area. That's, you know, great, because you don't want, even if it's lifted, you don't want your nipple to be poking through, especially girls that have had a nipple job. I know that those nipples sometimes, they don't go down, you know. It doesn't care if it's, they always look like they cold. Okay, so anyway, so you get these nice little pasties and everything to go ahead and go on the nipple area. And you get, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the actual adhesive bras to put on. Now, also, what I'm noticing is that there is also a right and a wrong way to do this. I don't know if you could see that, but this is left, left, and right, left, and right. Okay, so it's not like you could just use the same one and put it on. Okay, all right. So anyway, so like I said, they are left and right, and I'm just trying to figure out what is, oh, okay. So if you're doing the right, it kind of it's at an angle to the right. So this one would be the right one, right? And then the left one, the same thing, if you turn it around, you have more of an angle that's going to the left. So that would make sense because you want to be able to go in the inside. Okay, so that's cool. But anyway, like I said, it was $41 including shipment. And then in the inside, it says read the fine print. I haven't read it. It's just telling you about you should be clean, free of oils and cream. This is ensure that your brassy ball does not fall off or get ruined. This includes nipple covers are optional. Some are more sensitive than others. Do what you feel is best. To remove your brassy bra, use oil. Now, I think that's good that they put that on there because I've read reviews on other types of places, and they were just basically saying that the damn Brassy Bra would turn around and, not Brassy Bra, but other types of bras would rip your skin off when you were trying to remove it. So it's actually pretty good that they are telling you, listen, that's a no-no. You go ahead and put oil on it and it'll remove it. So that's good. And then I'm also, curious to see how long this lasts. So what I'm going to do is I'm showing you right now, if I can, this is me with a bra on, okay? So this is the bra, and I think what I'm gonna do firsthand is put it on one breast if I can, and then show you the difference, and then just go ahead and put both of them on. Then I'm gonna try to wear wear it all day and kind of let you know what the longevity is of it, okay? So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and place one on and see how it goes. All right, so I am back and I now have on the Brassy bra on this side, and this is a bra. So as you can see, it actually lifts way better than my actual bra does. But I will say, and I'm gonna show this, there's a lot of spillage. Now, I saw that they had some extenders, right? But the extenders were out of stock. And I'm assuming that extender will bring that right on up. Because, if you have large, wide breasts, that's good. And then also, what I'm noticing is how high this goes up. I think what I'm going to do when I do actually use them for what I'm going to do is cut across, because I don't want the black to be showing at all. I mean, that's not cute at all. So I think what I'm going to do, and I might even do it for the right side when I go ahead and put it on, but they feel pretty secure. I just don't like that side boob, and maybe I don't know what I've done. Maybe I'm not doing it right. They do definitely lift. So let me put the other one on and try it a little bit different and see what's going on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can see, I have them both on, and I'm very, very impressed with this. I mean, I'm able to wear them without, there's no bra. I can show my nice little tattoo on my back. That's all good. And what I did for this one though, is I actually cut it at the top so that it doesn't have that, I don't know if you can see it, I cut it straight across so that it's not poking up. And I think I'm also going to do that to the other side. So this actually works pretty good as far as, I mean, I think it works better than my bra, I must say. So I'm going to wear this all day and just kind of see how, about the moisture, if I start to sweat, if it lasts or whatever. But for us big girls to go braless, I think this is just perfect. So I'll be back probably at the end of the day, and I will give you an update on how it lasted. I'm also going to go in and I'm going to cut the top of this one as well. I would say that would be the only downside, is the top showing. So I'm actually going to peel it back and cut it at the top. But I still have the firmness and it's still lifted. But I think that I'm going to go see if they have those extenders, because it would just be so much better Because if you have large full breasts, you're just not going to get the coverage on both sides. You're going to have to pick and choose which side the coverage actually is. Now, I didn't show you how to put it on, but what you want to do is you want to take the bottom portion first, and you want to lift your breast and place it up underneath the breast. Then do not do it all at once, because you're going to mess it. These are $38, so do not mess it up. So you want to take this portion off first, right? And then you want to, after you have it secure underneath the breast, then you take the top portion off and then pull it up to the level that you want your breast to sit. And then that should work fine. So far, so good. I don't feel any lifting or movement. I mean, it doesn't feel like a bra. It feels loose. Like I feel free. So I will say that. So it's not a bra per se, at all. But hey, I think this is actually worth the money. So far, so good. I'm gonna leave it on for a few hours, and then what I will do is I'll give you a review after that. Once again, I'm gonna leave the information down at the website down in the description. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, all of this video, because I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of reviews of everything that I purchased. I stay on Amazon, so that's why you will see a lot of Amazon reviews, because Amazon is my go-to for everything. So I may as well review those things that I buy. I'm not being sponsored by anyone, but at least it'll be helpful for someone who's, deciding whether or not to buy something, right? So I may as well do it. Once again, this is Brassy Bra, and at the end of the video, I will let you know how it went as far as me wearing this thing all day. It's now 2 p.m. So I'm gonna at least try to wear it till 6, and then I will give an update at the end of the video letting you know how it worked out. Okay, so don't forget, if you go on their website, order as soon as you can if they have your size, because it took me weeks of checking back and forth before they were back in stock. All right, so have a good one.